So here we are in Sydney, and we've come down to Roland Reserve at Pittwater, and we're about to meet up with Dinghy Cruising royalty in Bruce from Sailing Wayfinder, and Paul from Sailing Kate Louise, and Josh from Kingfisher and Trim, and they've organised a little day out, and we're going along to see how it all works in the Sydney raid team. So here is the famous Kate Louise. What a lovely boat. And here's Trim from Kingfisher and Trim.
No, it should be good now. This will be my first proper sail with this mowing. I'll transfer it on a bit.
Now, look at this go. Okay, Paul, thanks so much for taking us out today. It's been a really great day, and really good to catch up with all the Sydney raid guys.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thanks for coming down and seeing what we've got to offer down here. We'll catch up with you probably at Mile Lake sometime in the future, hopefully, or even up at Moreton Bay.
Yep.
Maybe next year. I'd like to get up there, go for a sail.
Absolutely. That can be arranged.